So while taking the bulkhead out, taking the dash apart, I noticed some weird looking wires. So that's not normal. So I followed it up, see if I can investigate where this is going or came from or whatever. But it goes this plug here, which plugs into the back of the gauge cluster. I'll get to that here in a second. Into the main harness, all the way. Let me touch that. Burnt that one. All the way up into the MOD Land Rover 110. So into the lighting, the military lighting here. And I looked up the wiring diagram, and these wires should go to the gauge cluster lighting. Now I kept following it up or down into the fuse panel, and I still have to see if these connect here in this spot. I noticed these are totally rotted out, burnt out, melted. Those look fine. But something had to have caused this, right? So I followed the wires back up to the back of the gauge cluster. I was looking at the photos, I noticed this wire was swollen. Now, you can see as this wire rests behind the dash, it's sitting right here. So over time, this must have rubbed, right? So this sheath would have rubbed down, wore a hole in it, ground it out, and caused this wire to melt. Luckily, whoever owned this Land Rover before either caught the fire in time or got lucky and it didn't spread. But there's no evidence of fire retardant or anything like that over here. So, but what do you guys think? Time for a new harness? I think so, because this looks like something that Nikolai Tesla era, these glass fuses, old school. Yeah, no thanks. I think you might upgrade and get the later model main harness with the blade fuses. There's a 200 TDI. Well, it was a 2.5 NA engine. I swapped in this 200 TDI. So that's that. Yeah, great news. Wiring harnesses are not cheap. I think online they're about $1,500. Yay.